Open the box. Check the S80 Terminal, charge cable, and Ethernet cable or phone line. For Internet users, insert Ethernet cable at the LAN port and connect the other side to your router. Insert power cable at power port. For phone line user, insert store phone line cable at line port. Press the power button on the top left corner. If you see input amount on the screen, it is ready. Open the box. Check SP20 NFC pin pad. Connect pin pad cable under SP20 NFC and at pin pad port on S80. Enter the amount and press Enter. Insert or tap the credit card. Wait for the merchant receipt. Press any key to print customer copy. Press F3 Credit and it will change to debit. Enter the amount and press Enter. Insert or tap the credit card. After selecting your app, enter the PIN and press Enter. Press the F function button. Press 2. Press Enter. Before we start voiding, please understand you can void only credit transactions and can't void DB and EBT transactions. Press F function button. Press the scrolls down button and stop at void and press Enter. Enter the password and press Enter. Select credit. Enter the transaction number and press Enter. Check the transaction if it is the one you want to void. Press Enter. Press Enter. Press the F function button. Press the scrolls down button and stop at Refund. Press Enter and enter the password. Select Credit. Enter the amount and press Enter. Enter the card number or insert or tap the credit card. Press the F function button. Select 1, Report by pressing Enter. Enter the password and press Enter. Press number 1, Default Report. 1. Reprint last receipt. Press F function button. Press the scrolls down button and stop at Reprint. Press Enter. Press Enter if you want to print the last customer receipt. 2. Reprint any receipt. Press F function button. Press the scrolls down button and stop at Reprint and press Enter. Press 2. Any receipt. Select credit or debit or EBT. Enter transaction number and press Enter. Select customer or merchant.